going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. It's been a week since I've made a video because I just haven't felt like it. I think I probably have COVID. I don't know. I've worked every day. I've washed a lot. I just haven't felt like putting forth the effort and the energy to make a video. But some of you are like, hey man, where you been? I appreciate that. I had work today and I just called and said, I'm not washing today. So I'm going to hopefully wash tomorrow, which will be Friday. I have been working on my garage, and you can't tell it, but this is a lot of headway that I've made. In fact, I've been repairing some old pumps. Got one of them working. It's here. Yep, got this one working, and I think I can get these two working. I just got to do a little work, but I actually had all of this super nice and clean, and then began working on projects. Took apart a bike to take to someone. It used to sit right there. This is my daughter's fixer-upper, and she's working on it as she can. My wife has instructions to put these up there, which really means I'll be putting this up there. So here's what I've been working on today. I'm organizing some of these hidden shelves back here because historically, this garage, you can eat off the floor. And since winter, when I built the first rig, or the previous rig in the Wash Mahal here, things have just kind of went haywire. But let me show you what I've been working on today specifically. So what happens is, over years of washing and rig building and whatnot, you just start to accumulate stuff. And let me just go on record and say, it's okay to accumulate stuff, but once you need something, go back and look and see what you've got. So all of this was in three small boxes. Three small boxes. I'm going to go and get a multiplicity of boxes and have each box labeled for different sizes. Most of this is PVC and plastic, but some of it is brass as well. But we've got 1.5 inch, a little 2-inch thing there, but I'll put 2 inch and 1.5 inch in a box. 1.25 inch, 1 inch. I mean, I've got some good stuff here, bulkheads. And I'm out buying stuff, and I've got stuff. 3/4 inch. I mean, I bought so many of these recently, and I had it all. Look at this. Just good stuff. I mean, I could probably take most of this back if I knew where it went. 1 inch, and then 1/2 inches gets the most of the purchases, apparently. I got all of these. Like, why did I go buy more? I'm not sure, because I'm an idiot. Cam locks. I got cam locks galore. Look at this. That's great. So I'm going to, again, get different boxes and then label the boxes. I might get a rollout bin, like a plastic bin, and then have each one labeled. And I'm getting rid of all this pressure washing stuff here, and I'm taking everything out to my shop in the back there, and that's going to be where everything goes, and then we can use that for something else. And then over here, I've got miscellaneous stuff, but like good stuff. Check valves. These are not cheap. Come on, Carmody. Whisper wash, swivels. These are bad, but they're good for parts, O-rings and whatnot. Oh, K7 unloaders. I've got several K7. Look at this. Then here's a green spring. Oh, that's a fantastic one. You'll love the green spring. 2 K7s there. Let's see what else I've got here. More valve parts. Here's another nice GF valve. You just buy stuff. Maybe I see specials sometimes. Like I'll see a deal. Yeah. This reminds me, if you're local to me and you need parts, not the K7s, but you need fittings and whatnot, and you're local to me, come here. I'll make you a deal and stuff, because I'll bless you in that way. But yeah, I've just got stuff, and I've still got some stuff I need to clean out. Like my daughter changed the rotors on her car, all 4 rotors and brakes. So I'm just gonna throw that out, obviously. I do have a 5.5 gallon a minute machine that runs like a top. I'll sell it. I'll sell it if anybody wants to buy it. Gonna have to make some space, you know? Gonna have to make some space. I picked that up somewhere at a yard sale for $3. You know, I mean, you pick up stuff, and some of you who've been following me for years, you remember my fanny pack, still got that. These are archived items, but look here. 9 feet, 2-wire, 3/8 hose. Oh, look, there's another one. There's another one, something down there. Wheels, because I was planning on making something with that, okay? I once did an apartment complex, and I had umbrellas for every level, and people actually used them, so I stored those away. Oh, look, here's another one. I bet you that God, Carmody. There's another one, 8 feet. Yep. I should probably do better. By the way, these are classics, man. Diamondback Turbo. I have 3 or 4 of these now. 1983 Diamondback Harry Leary signed. Boom. Turbo. If you're not into BMX, old school, you do not want to know how much those cost. How much they're worth today. All right, one more thing. I want to show you something. If you're local to me or are willing to drive and you want to buy this tank, it's 330 gallons. And these things are awesome. I paid $250 for it, and I will sell it for $250. You need to bring somebody with you. I will help you plus your friend, because listen, it's man-like. It's actually like caveman-like. Very, very stout, and I absolutely love mine. But that's where I've been, and I appreciate some of you checking in on me. It means a lot to me, and I'm hoping to get on the rebound soon. Like I said, I've been washing. I've just been kind of staying distant from my customers, and then today I was supposed to start washing at a theme park. I think I'll do that tomorrow. It's just a small wash, and then wash next week. But just kind of staying distant. I woke up this morning and I was like, I'm gonna go work. And then I went outside and I was like, I don't think I'm gonna work. All right, so there you have it. Mike, The Fresh Rinse. And I'm out.